Hi, in today's video, we're going to be talking about how to spot very hot products that can make you around 700k to a million naira 500 in 1 month of selling them. What I'm about to reveal to you is the secret behind the very wealthy or very rich guy that is making tons of money online selling products, and you that is a struggling person that's looking for what to sell. Okay, so we're going to be delving towards the direction of physical products and digital products. So I'm going to teach you my secret formula to spotting money bag products or money maker products, and I'm going to share with you 4 formulas. I'd like you to stick to the end of this video because the third formula I'm going to share with you is going to be very powerful. And don't be scared, there are no hidden charges in this video. We're not upselling, as usual. I'm not upselling anything to you. It's all free, and we like to call this a crash course. So, all of before now, you should know that the money is in the product. If you want to make money, and you're struggling to make money with your skill set online, or with what you've learned online, the first thing to do is to spot the product that will make the money. So, products that will make the money would always have these 4 traits, or these 4 attributes. The first thing is the wow effect. As someone that has been selling online for years, one thing I've always noted or I've mastered is that the effect a product has on me, or the effect of the discovery of a product, the effect it has on me is likely to be the same effect it's going to have on someone else. And as a salesperson, one thing I've always known, or I've come to know, is for me to sell something I want people to buy, I must also be able to buy that thing through my pen. What I mean is, if I go through my own marketing materials that I want to push out to the public domain, I must first be convinced from the eyes of a prospect. What it simply means is, if a prospect read my marketing material, they should be able to have a reaction that will make them buy. But if I'm reading it, I should be able to have that same reaction. So if a product has a wow effect on me, it simply means that that product will have a wow effect on another person that wants to buy it. It's actually a simple law of selling. So in 2018, there was a car product we sold. I was in Delta State then. And the only indicator that this product was going to be a hot product was this effect. It's the wow effect. The product is as crazy as it seems. It's like you can practically ignore the product. In fact, you can call it a childish product. But the product was a product that sparks or that puts lightning in the tire, in the rim of car tires. And we bought that product then for 25 naira from China in 2018, and we sold it for 18,000 naira. The only effect this product has was wow. I saw this product and I just said, wow, this product was going to make sense. I showed it to my colleague then, and he said, guy, this product looks childish. It looks like Christmas lights. I said, let's try it. What I feel, I think someone else will feel that same way. That was the money maker. So when you go to Alibaba, AliExpress, or you go to 6088 to search your product, if it has that wow effect, be rest assured that you've got a winning product in your hands. The second way to spot a hot product is a product that has a general appeal. A market or a niche, a product that has a general appeal. For instance, in Nigeria, and one thing about general appeal is general appeal differs in regions. For instance, the pet niche, PET, the pet niche is a very big niche in the Western world, in abroad, in US, in UK, in all these European countries. It's a very big niche. It has a general appeal in that region. But if you sell pet niche in Nigeria, you're likely to go home starved, and you're likely to go home very hungry. Because an average Nigerian have not even eaten. An average African is struggling to cater for themselves before they want to cater for their dogs or their cats. And right here in Africa or in Nigeria, from what I'm shooting, the pets that we have in the numbers are actually dogs. It's rare to someone that has cats as a pet. But over there, you can see people having no manner of stuff as pets. So the pet niche there sells. So general appeal differs in your location. So if you're watching this video from Kenya, from US, from UK, this point I'm about to make differs in your location. So, by a general appeal, the case that I'm going to be using in this video is pregnancy. Everybody, every race, every female individual gets pregnant. Black, white, yellow, Caucasian, Black American, white American, Nigerian, Kenyan, African, everybody gets pregnant. As long as there's an intercourse between a man and a woman, pregnancy is supposed to happen. So pregnancy is the general appeal. So any product that appeals to pregnant women that is unique is actually a hot product indicator. Now, in 2019, we sold a particular product. And this product was basically, I think I've told this in this channel before. Okay, no. I think that video never made it to this channel. The video actually is in my drive, so I'm going to say it again. In 2019, we sold a weight loss product. It was a tummy belt. So the product was supposed to be for people that want to lose belly fat. But the way we angled that product was for pregnant women that want to lose the belly fat of pregnancy. That was the angle of that product, and that product sold like wildfire. Why? Because that product had a general appeal. So a product may not give you a wow effect, but if it has a general appeal and have a perfect marketing angle, you found a hot product in your hand that you can make shitload of money from. The next point on spotting a hot product is what I call the scarcity rule. I would always tell my coaching students that if the product you are selling can be gotten in the supermarket, you don't have a market. Yes, if the product you're about to sell can be gotten in the shopping mall, you don't have a market. I know someone want to say, hey, but Vincent, he's serving the convenience niche now. It's convenience niche. Somebody would prefer for me to sell the product from that than for them to get it in the mall. Now, while I understand convenience is a very powerful marketing angle, but I also like you to understand the environment. The typical Afrocentric environment has not absorbed convenience a lot. For instance, what I mean in the Western world, people can buy something from Amazon easily. They can buy anything at all. Like they want it delivered to their homes. But somewhere in the back of our minds in Nigeria or Africa, people believe that the general open market sells cheaper stuff. So they rather take their transport to the general open market and buy stuff. So if you're watching this video from the Western world, you can factor in convenience to this next point I'm about to say. But if you're watching this video from Africa, you may want to not factor in convenience. So scarcity is a very powerful indicator on hot product money makers. So if the product you're about to sell will cost the person you're about to buy from, the person that wants to buy from you a hand and a leg, just to figure out that product, you have a ready market. Scarcity deepens the market. Scarcity raises market caps. Scarcity triples market caps. Scarcity sustains market caps. Scarcity is a market longevity what do I call it, trade. Like if you are selling in a scarce market and you're ready to buy market, that means you have $1 million market in your hand. So scarcity is something to look out for when you're looking for a product that could make you 500 to 700K. The last one is seasonal. Now, we're in Q4, the last part of the year. I'm about to say something very, very important. There are products that work with seasons. If you're selling online, look for seasonal products. This does not really mean you belong to one niche. You can't sell online. That's under niche. That's what we're talking about here. Solidarity to your niche is not the point here. Seasonal products sell like wildfire. This is Q4. Very soon we're going to Christmas period. Fashion product sales, accessory would sell. Anything seasonal would sell in this period. So seasonal products, they are big money makers. So if you have an indicator for a product that will sell is seasonal products. So with these 4 traits, you can be able to spot product that can make you about 700 to 1,500,000 in 1 month of selling them. I hope you learned something from this video. And if you've not hit the subscribe button at this point, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and share the video to someone that would like to see this video. Thank you for sticking with me to the end of this video. Till next time, Vincent David.